Hello and welcome to Math Minutes video number 13. We're going to learn how to multiply fractions in this lesson. Get your notebooks out and turn to page 14. To multiply fractions, you multiply the numerators and you multiply the denominators. Look out, it's not that hard. Look at our example. 2/3 times 1/4. We simply multiply the numerators. 2 times 1 equals 2. Multiply the denominators, 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. We get 2/12, and we simply reduce that down to 1/6. Simple as that. Let's practice together. 1/2 times 3/5. Multiply across your numerators. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 5 is 10. Let's check. Can we reduce that to a simpler term? No. Number 2. 2/5 times 7/8. Multiply across the top. 2 times 7 is 14. And 5 times 8 is 40. Can this be reduced or simplified? Yes, it can. What's the greatest common factor between these two numbers? Well, I know that 2 can go into each of these. Each of these can be divided by 2. So we're going to simplify it down. 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 40 divided by 2 is 20. 7/20 is our final answer. Number 3, 1/9 times 2/3. Cross the top. 2 times 1, 9 times 3, 27. Can that be reduced? No. We could divide this by 2, but we can't evenly divide 27 by 2, so it's in its simplest form. Number 4, 1/4 times 3/4. 1 times 3, and 4 times 4. Can this be reduced? Cannot, because the only factor we could divide this by is 3, and 3 does not go into 16 evenly. Our last practice together, 6 times 1 is 6. 7 times 3 is 21, and can this be reduced? And it cannot. So, a quick review. Multiplying fractions, just simply multiply the numbers across. The numerators, multiply the denominators across. There's your answer. Look at the end, see if it can be reduced. Bring your completed notebooks to class, and I'll see you next class.